Ever struggled with messy camp meals outdoors? I used to balance plates on my lap. Never fun. Spilled drinks, wobbly food, nowhere to prep. That's when I realized I needed a real camp table. But choosing the right one? It's overwhelming. So many options. Heavy, flimsy, or just awkward. Let's talk about how to pick the perfect folding camp table. First, think about weight. You want it light and portable. Check out this table. Super lightweight, easy to carry. Next up, durability. Outdoor gear needs to last. This table's tough metal legs handle rough ground easily. Weather can change fast. Choose weather-resistant materials. This surface wipes clean and stands up to rain. Setup matters too. No one wants complicated assembly. Watch this. Just unfold and lock the legs. Done. Space is precious when camping. Go for compact design. This table folds flat and fits in any car trunk. Versatility is key. Use it for demining, prep, or games. It's perfect for lakeside lunches or evening card games. Need more seating? Pair with matching foldable chairs. Look for tables with sturdy frames, like this aluminum alloy. It's strong, but still incredibly light. Transport is a breeze. Carry handle makes it simple. No more awkward balancing acts or soggy sandwiches. Just set up, relax, and enjoy your meal outdoors. Choosing the right camp table upgrades your whole trip. Ready to level up your camping comfort? Click the link in the description to check out our guide and find your perfect folding camp table. Make every adventure easier. Grab yours before your next trip.